Someone asked yesterday, sir, explain regex. Okay, this is one thing maybe I will cover today. But before that, let me finish the main topic and then based on the time I can cover it. Okay, so see here, we have an application that is called so many, right? Learning language. I think this is my application. Very good. Okay, so let's say now you are in a client, you are in a farm. Okay, you are able to manage all of them with respect to field configuration, messages, validations, getting, setting, all the stuff. Okay, now let's say I will ask you one scenario. Okay, the scenario is uh, let's say like this. How to say? Okay, there is a field called expecting completion. Okay, this field is there, or maybe urgency is there. Okay, the urgency field can be updated only by ITIL role people. Okay, let's say maybe this field is there, right? Expecting completion something is there. Okay, and the scenario is allow only, okay, ITIL role users to update it. That means what, ma? What does it mean? I have a field here. Okay, the field should be like this. For if I log in with non-ITL user, it should show like this. I should not change anything. If I am a ITL user, it should allow me to write. It is a non-editable, editable. That's what our scenario. Correct, everyone? For ITL user, read only equal to false. For non-ITL users, okay, read only equal to true. This is what the background meaning of it. Correct? The statement that we written here, the back end of the execution will be like this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, see here, you write something like this. Okay, we don't need to write code and all. Okay, it's simple thing. Okay, we'll try to finish this part as simple as possible, but we will see the meaning. Okay. Okay, so see, what is the line we need to write? G form. Okay, set read only true. This one. Okay, either false or true. This is correct. When is the important thing? Okay, when is maybe see here. We need to have a condition if okay logged in user is ITIL. Okay, then read only should be false. Okay, else or else maybe like this.
True.
True. So this is the syntax. We need to write it in a client script or something wherever you want to trigger it. Maybe it is onload on change. It can be onload only. It is an onload change. Okay. So now everyone got this logic ma? For this particular requirement, this is the logic and this is the line main line. Is that clear, everyone? Can I say yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone
In
please
Else
answer.
we didn't
NI
write.
part is you can change the true.
We didn't write
Sorry,
two.
can you?
In the false place, we didn't write two in the else one.
True need to be updated in the false condition. Yeah.
That's okay, ma. Meaning you got it now. Yes. Now it is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
So now our main topic here is okay, how you are validating the logged in user roles. How you can know if this user have an ITL user or not, role or not. Okay. For that, we have one API. Okay. Same like glide user, we have sorry, same like glide form, we have a glide user also. Okay. What this glide user will do is okay, let's write it. We don't need to execute it now. We are just checking how what is the meaning of it. Okay. We no need to execute and all. Let's make it very simple. Okay. G user or else maybe ITIL. What is that? Execution completion time something. Okay, and this is very important on loading time. Okay, and here let it load. This is not required anyway. Okay, very good. I don't know why that particular box is showing. This is only showing with Rome. Earlier version it don't show. See here, this is green box. Okay. So now what is very important here is, okay, if condition we need to correctly write, else condition we need to correctly write. Okay. And structure is same. So what I do is, okay, where, okay, RL maybe role equal to G underscore user dot. Okay. So the G user will get the control of the login user. When I say control, not only with few methods, right? So for this particular requirement, what I need to use is has role exactly, okay, of ITIL. So why I took has role exactly? There is a meaning. Okay, we will see it. So it is a question. Has role has this question. The answer will be true or false. It's a boolean. The report of the output of this particular execution is a boolean, right? Boolean means true or false. Okay. So now print it. What it will do, right? So alert RL. Okay, first we will understand what it will do and then we will see how we can make use of it. Correct? I'm not running anything. I'm just printing. I'm just getting it and printing it, right? And this is and all not available. It is commented out. 2 lines of code we are executing. Correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see here, save. Okay, and go to the form again. On loading time, see here. So what it is writing? The logged in user, maybe system administrator, have ITL role. Because of this, we are getting true. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's, okay, so many scripts are running. So now what I do is I can go to a person where you don't have ITL user. So let's just give me 1 second. Users. Okay. Yes. Okay. Open this one and make sure that you don't have a ITL user, ITL role. I think you have it. Right? Save it. So this particular person, Naveen R, okay, doesn't have an ITL role. He's a simple, very plain user. Now he's a very plain user. Now impersonate and then load the form, right? So Naveen R, I'm going to Naveen R, who is a non-ITL user, and try to see what the form will tell us. Is that it will say true or it will say false? First of all, we should see whether is there any ACL is allowing him to launch it. See here, anyway, backend thing is fine, but what it is telling, the client script is running and it's saying
False.
false, right? So good. The line of code that we written is executing. Everyone agree, ma?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So now I'm going back, right? So going back and come here and now finish the script. What is the script? Okay. If, right, if RL equal to true. Okay. Then first set and else if false. So that's it. So this is our requirement and this is how we can do. Is that correct, ma? Everyone agree? I'm not executing it, but this can, I think, let me execute it. Let's what is there now. Anyway, it will say false and then see what it will do. If we have any other logics where it will do something else, then we need to spend some time. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. So let's say test. I don't know. See here. This should be read only, but I don't know what it is happening. Okay. And is the script running? Language learning. True. Read only. Okay, very good. Okay, writing true. So if it is true, then okay. Don't know, ma. Maybe we need to see this particular field level. Okay, but I'm sure that script is running, right?
So can we check with impersonator,
No, ma.
impersonating it?
Impersonation in this table level, now the particular non-active users cannot see all these fields.
Sir, true value is boolean, so we need to remove post.
Uh-huh. It's not a text, huh? Very good. Makes sense. Let me try. Maybe this can work. Boolean. Boolean cannot. No need to pass booleans in the code, so maybe. Very good. No, ma. Very good. Very good. So I'll let.
Sir, like once you said if it is empty, it won't take read only. No?
No, ma.
If there is any something value.
If it is empty, then it don't say read only, yeah? Okay. Maybe.
Like in previous class, you said.
Okay, let's see. If that is the case, then maybe thanks for reminding. Reminding. Ah, worry. Okay, so now save it once. Okay, now onload node here. So inside if. Okay, inside else.
Sir,
True in the caps
read
letter.
only condition is false, right?
1 second, ma.
Sir, it's admin, right? So I think
Has
it's
role,
going with false
has
only.
role exactly, ma. That's why we used has role exactly, right? So
Sir, we are
Okay.
making read only as a false.
okay, then correct. We are not testing properly. Very good. Super. Makes sense. Okay, let's say now for ITL user, you should not allow. Consider like that, right? See here, this is working now.
Yes, sir.
I'm not. I didn't test properly, ma. But code is correct. Testing is problem. Okay. So now, if you understand this one now, the main highlighted method is this one, right? This and all we seen it already. Okay, there is nothing to discuss much. But what it is getting for you and how you are using it, that is only the important topic. Correct? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now try to understand what else we have under G user and how we can use it. So see, G user, maybe you can directly say alert, right? Or no need to write it, it is like confusing. So let's make it very simple. Okay, you understood the concept. So G user dot, okay, has role. First thing is has role. Okay, I say has role of ITIL. Okay, so if I say like this, what system will check? Okay, and let's say G form, G user, okay, has role exactly. What system will check? I'm saying only one role only, ITIL only. Okay, then what system will check? G user, okay, has roles from list, has roles and has roles from list. Okay, ABC, and last one is has roles from list. Okay, it's the same thing. Now this is the only thing we need to understand. Okay, so let's understand it. Okay, so now one by one we will see. So keep that lines 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then try to understand what it will write. Okay, it will write true or false. So based on what? So see here, G user, okay, dot first has role. Just read that returns true if, okay. You can also can able to read this statement, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Return true if the current user has selected a role or admin role.
Okay, 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I did little bigger. Now it see returns true if the current user has this selected role or admin. So how many roles it is checking when you use has role?
Two roles.
Two roles. Okay. One role is the role that you specified here and admin. So how to write? Okay, checks ITIL role and admin role plus admin. Let's say plus. So we are talking about checking. Okay, check how many it will check. The ITL role plus admin role. Correct. This line is correct, ma? No confusions, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Is this
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now? See the has
Sir,
role.
it is a or, na? Sir, means it's
No,
not
it
and, na?
checks R only, but checking in two roles, no? It's R only. Yeah, it's R.
Okay,
Okay. So let's say that's why I said plus, ma. Okay, R. Okay. Now see here, has role exactly returns true only if the current user has the specified role. Here we don't have R admin. If you see now, has role or the admin role is there. Here that R admin role is not there. So when you say has role exactly, it will check only ITL role. Make sense?
yes, yes, sir.
Everyone, what is the difference between has role and has role exactly? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, anyone not
Yes,
clear, ma?
sir.
Any no's here? I think clear. Okay.
I mean, yes.
Okay, ma, fine. So now the same thing. Now here you have one role specification. Okay, let's say I have to check multiple roles. ITL role is there, ABC role is there, XYZ role is there. How to check it in multiple? Okay, that time you have has roles from list. Two things are there. Same like this one. Here it shows only one. Here it have multiple. But here also one will check only the list. One will check the list plus admin. Okay. So what is that? What is this? We will see. So see here, has roles from list. Okay, this is same like has role. First one, it will check the list, any one of the role that you specified, separated by comma or admin. So totally in this one, how many will check, ma? How many roles it will
Four.
check? Four. Okay, ITIL or ABC or XYG or admin.
Admin.
Okay, has roles from list, same like has role exactly. So whatever you define there, it will check only for those there. Okay, has roles. Yeah, sorry. No, I think I'm telling in a reverse way. Sorry. So here no admin. Why? Why it came blue? Why it came blue, ma?
Semicolon less.
Very good. But still,
One more comma.
ఇచ్చారు సార్ అక్కడ
okay. So now, now, see, this is correct. Okay, this is same like has role exactly. So what I do is in a flow, to keep it in a flow. Okay, I will keep here. So this is equal to this one. Okay, this is equal to this one. Simple, everyone. Is that simple, ma?
One question over here.
Yes, please.
So dot has role exactly will check for a single role, right?
Yes. Whatever you mentioned here, that role
So
only it will check.
whenever we are testing that script, so it should return a false in that set because we were logged in as an admin, so it was showing a true content.
No, see here. The person who you are, maybe he have admin, he have ITIL, he have ITIL admin. User can have multiple roles, no?
Yeah.
Right? Is that clear, ma? So let's say you have you admin, you have you ITL, you have ITL admin, you have something else, you have. It can be, no?
Mhm.
So yes,
If anything one matches, it will execute as a true.
when you use this method, yes.
No, no, about the top one. Dot has role exactly.
Has role exactly, you don't see admin. It will only see this role. You don't even check in admin. That is the main difference.
So in that scenario, so it will return a false
It's,
if we logged in as admin.
yes. If you use this method and the admin user, like the user who you are connecting, he is an admin, but he is not an ITL, it should return false. That is the expectation. That is the main difference, no? If that is
Yeah.
not there, means what is the purpose of having two? Both are same,
Yeah.
correct? Okay, ma. So don't drag it much. It is very simple, and even in interviews also you can stick to this line only. Okay, maybe one time you practice it, but keep this kind of scenarios in mind when you are practicing it. Okay, so when you have to do with roles, based on a role, you want to do perform some action. Till this point, everyone clear here? Everyone, please acknowledge.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and there are few more. Okay, if it is yes, there are few more tumri. Okay, so first name user logged in user first name it will print. Okay, logged in user last name it will print. User ID it will print. User name it will print. Okay, but we don't use them. Okay, G user maximum very less we use it first of all, and that too the first name last name and all we don't use. So you can just ignore it, but one time you alert it. So what you can do is you just say alert of, okay, G user dot first name. That's it. I think you need to give in this way. Let's see. Okay, and then see last. So I'm just,
First name in the parentheses also.
I think I need to see, but I am just checking it because it's a function. Let me check it.
So this is all about related to the user information, right?
Logged in user information. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So test is fine. No. Why? On load, right? Is there any issue in the code? Okay, so this is not required then. Right, let me test it now. But alert if else it should work, no? The onload itself is not working, no? Saved. Very good. Refresh it. System. First name. Administrator last name. Very good. Inside if maybe it is exactly okay, and then it is testing it, and then it is setting it as. So it is working now. Everyone seen it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right, so that's it, man. No need to drag much. It is very maybe I can say don't spend much time, but for interview purpose learn it and then leave it.